let's take a look at the AC3100 RT AC88U Asus router. Today we are going to overview the RT AC88U router. So let's see what we get. We get the instructions how to hook up. But it's simple. 1, 2, 3. All right. See, this is pretty heavy. This one's about 2 pounds compared to my old Asus modem. And right there we got the antennas. This one has 4 antennas. This will replace my old router. It's giving a lot of problems, especially that running smart home devices like switches and light bulbs. And the 4 antennas. Nice package, by the way. So what else we get? Yes, the transformer and the patch cable RJ45. So we get the CD and the manual as well. Also, one thing I like about this particular modem and the Asus, you can just download the application by scanning right there, and you can do the whole installation, everything right in your phone. Now the modem by itself is pretty big. It's a foot long, 12 inches by 7 inches by, technically in the back, 3 inches wide, and it weighs about 2 pounds. Turn it over, we can see right there with the blue connector or the blue RJ45, so will be your patch cable right into your modem. That's your power coming in. The 2 antennas, that's you switch on and off power, and total 8 ports. Plenty ports, right? Also, we get in the back, we can see USB 2.0. That's if you want to run a hard drive straight on the network. And right there is you switch to reset your entire modem. So we get 2 antennas in the back and then 2 antennas in each side. We're going to install those right now. All right, so let's install the antennas. Now, remember when you set up your router for first time, make sure you are not close to any metal object. Sometimes it can be too close to another switch or anything. You try to be as free as possible to any objects around the modem, so that way you get a clean signal. So we put the less antenna. Yeah, it looks pretty impressed. I pay about $238. There was another model. I thought that maybe it was not worth the price, and it was not too happy with the reviews. This one actually will do what I need for, I say, about $150 cheaper compared to the next model. By the way, there is no lighting, and it looks like the modem will light up with LED lights on top of any effects. No, because I got a question. Has any LED on it? No, it'll be kind of cool, but doesn't have any LEDs on it. Only will light up white, just the LED right on the top of the modem, let you know when it's connected, when you connect to 2.0, when you are connected to the USB 3.0, and technically just a regular status LED lights. If we take a look at the front of the modem, we get 2 switches, one labeled Wi-Fi. You will turn on the Wi-Fi, and the next one is LED. So if you want to turn on the LEDs on and off. Now on the left side, we get the connection for you 3.0 hard drive. So we have one in the back, 2.0, and one in the front. So if you want to mount a hard drive right in your network. With this, we complete the overview of the RT-AC88U Asus model. In my next video, we're going to go over the whole installation as well the app. If you need more information about this product, make sure you check the link below. Thank you.